Welcome to a journey of incredible flavors and warmth. Today, we're delving into the heartwarming realm of dal, also known as lentil soup. You will need oil, dry red chilies, Toor dal, curry leaves, and onions. Start off by boiling your Toor dal.
One eternity later.
Now get a blender and add the chilies and onions into it. Set your stove to 7, then put your pan over it. Add some oil. Then add your blended chilies and onions. And saute. Add the curry leaves and saute. Now add the boiled Toor dal. Now you know the drill. Also forgot to mention we need salt.
A few moments later.
Sorry if the camera is foggy. And put some curry leaves to top it all off. And that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more. And comment below how it went if you tried the recipe. But other than that, happy cooking.